with some campers from Udaleku 2022 in Bakersfield, California. And we're going to find out where they're from and why they're here today. So let's hear from you. Can you tell us your names and where you're from?
Hi, I'm Dominic Newstead. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Yakima, Washington.
I'm Ander. I'm 13 and I'm from Boise, Idaho.
I'm Mikel Iturria. I'm from Bakersfield and I'm 14 years old.
So why are you guys here at Udaleku this year?
This year I'm an aide instead of a camper. I wanted to come just because I don't have a back club in Yakima, so I wanted to be a part.
I came to Udaleku because I just wanted to have fun, learn about my culture, and make friends.
I came because I love the culture and I love all the activities that we do throughout the whole week.
Okay. Yeah, let's talk about those activities. Like, what's your favorite thing that you do at Udaleku?
Probably Musha Pilota, but TPing is the best.
All right, so can you tell us about Mush and Pilota? Like, what's Mush?
Mush is the back poker game. And Pilota, kind of like tennis, but with rackets.
And a wall.
Yeah, and a wall.
Okay. Okay. And how about you? What do you like? What's your favorite part?
Probably Moosh and Pilota also. Yeah.
Okay.
I just like to play Moosh because it's fun. We can play with friends. And then, yeah, Pilota is just fun too.
Is it hard to... You had some heat here this week in Bakersfield. Was that rough at all?
Kind of. A little bit. But it was okay.
I'd have to say the same, Moosh and the sports, because I just love both of those.
Okay. Are there some other sports besides Pilota?
Yes, I just don't know the names.
Okay. So you play Pilota, there's versions with your hand, and there's other versions with...
A scoop and a basket. It's just, I don't know the names.
And you tried all of those this week?
Yes, I played all of them this week.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody want to add something else about something you liked or something that happened that was fun? Or
Me and Mikel and on there, we all went pickling and toilet papered a lot of houses, the head of camp, but that was pretty fun. Dancing too was really fun, getting to learn the traditional dances, but TPing, really, that's the best.
2 o'clock in the morning, every night.
Every night?
Every night.
Every night.
2 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, putting toilet paper in front of people's houses?
Of course.
French fries, pickles, anything.
Shaving cream, saran wrap,
Yeah.
cereal. It can go forever.
Now, is that an Udaleku tradition?
Hot dogs.
Is that an Udaleku? Because I think I remember
Yes.
hearing about that
Many.
before. So they've done
Every
it at...
I would say it is. I think Christy Onandia started that a long time ago, and we've kept the tradition going over the years.
All right, sounds like fun.
Yep. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
So we're here at Udaleku, Bakersfield 2022, and these are the teachers of Udaleku this year. Some of them are here from the U.S. and some are from the Basque Country. And we're going to talk to them today about where they came from and what they enjoyed about Udaleku. So tell us where you're from and what was your favorite part of the week or your favorite part of Udaleku?
I'm Lorraine Laverty. I'm from Bakersfield, California. And my favorite part of this week was getting to hear all of the kids sing in their groups individually and then also by themselves when they all come together at the end. I loved that. So, yeah.
What's your name and where are you from and what's your favorite part of Udaleku? Or maybe you can tell us about why you are a teacher at Udaleku.
Yeah, so my name is Joana Arichea. I'm from San Francisco. I taught Moose at this camp. They needed someone to help out. I like teaching Moose, teach it at my club locally. And it was honestly nice to see everybody be able to participate, even the little ones who had just learned. And we had about 43 teams in total, and all of them played at least 4 to 5 games. So I would call that pretty successful for a week. So that was pretty redeeming to see that.
And we're talking about kids from what ages?
8 to about 15 years old.
All right. Thank you. Hola.
Hola.
Okay, here we have our teachers from the Basque Country. So we're going to interview them in Spanish. ¿Cuál es tu nombre y de dónde eres y por qué has venido a Udaleku?
Bueno, yo soy Eneko Uribe, soy de Leioa, que está en Vizcaya, al lado de Bilbo, y bueno, he venido pues porque me comentó pues, un grupo de pelota que se organizaba aquí, unos Udalekus de niños y niñas de origen de allí, de Euskal Herria, y pues bueno, me dijeron para venir para hacer de monitor de pelota y por eso he venido.
¿Y cómo te ha gustado?
Pues sí, ha estado bien, pues me gusta sobre todo verles que en el tiempo libre juegan a pelota, a mus, están bailando algunos y bueno, eso es que les ha gustado y entonces es que han estado a gusto y lo mejor que los niños y niñas se lo han pasado bien. Sí.
Excelente. Gracias. ¿Y cuál es tu nombre y de dónde eres?
Mi nombre es Naya y vengo de Irurita, de Baztán.
Okay. Y sigue. ¿Y qué es lo que te ha gustado de Udaleku o qué es lo que te gusta de ser maestra en Udaleku?
Pues lo que más me ha gustado ha sido un poco interactuar con niños de distintas edades y ver que les gusta también lo que han aprendido del País Vasco y que tienen interés en aprender.
¿Te sorprende que están tan interesados?
La verdad que un poco sí, porque ya son como la tercera generación de antepasados del País Vasco y les queda un poco lejos, pero aún así quieren aprender.
Qué bien, gracias. Hola.
Hola.
So we're gonna check out his English.
Oh.
Tell us your name.
No, my name is Ruen. I'm from Irurita, from the Basque Country, and I'm here as a dance teacher.
Okay, y en español, ¿qué es lo que te ha gustado de enseñar baile?
A mí me ha gustado mucho la actitud que tenían todos, porque al ser ya ellos niños ya nacidos aquí en Estados Unidos, pero siguen manteniendo sus raíces vascas y la cultura vasca, cómo les ha gustado la intención que ponían, la actitud que ponían y el interés en aprender todos estos bailes vascos que hemos preparado para el día de hoy de la performance.
Muy bien, gracias.
Hola, buenas. Yo me llamo Chomín y soy de Oronos Mugaire, que está en Navarra, en Baztán.
Muy bien. ¿Y qué es lo que te ha gustado de Udaleku?
Sobre todo me ha gustado la relación que se crea entre nosotros, entre los monitores y los críos, que al final es corto, es una semana, pero se vive mucho tiempo juntos y es muy, muy gratificante ver que los niños están a gusto contigo y tú con ellos.
Excelente. Gracias. Hi. So tell us your name and where you're from and why you're here at Udaleku.
My name is Caroline Izoko Shirambero. I'm from Gardnerville originally, but I've been in San Francisco and Pacifica for most of my life, actually. Yeah, really. And I think I'm here to teach Chistu, to help out with Chistu, but my favorite part is just seeing the kids, year after year and having them make the friendships and, learning more about their culture and, of course, learning a little bit about Chistu, although it's not the favorite class of the day. But
that's what you teach them? You teach them?
Teach, yeah. Okay. I'm helping out with the Chistu, yeah.
And do they have to play the drum as well?
No, we don't have any advanced Chistu laris, and I don't even know how to play the drum, so... But maybe one day.
All right, we're going to join Valerie here. All right, so tell us your name and where you're from.
So I am Valerie Echerenarechea. I'm from San Francisco. I am the Nabo Udaleku chairman. I stepped in to help teach Chistu a little bit. And for me, what's been the best about this camp is just seeing Udaleku restart. It really is one of the best things that NABO does. It started right at the beginning of NABO, and there was a recognized need to see the youth come together, meet each other, form connections. And after a 2-year hiatus with COVID, it is so nice to see this restart and see people find their friends, make new friends, and those new connections forming.
I've heard from older people who went to Udaleku at one time. They seem to continue these friendships for many years. Is that what you found?
Absolutely. I think that if you look at the percentage of families that are participating in Udaleku today, probably more than 3/4 their parents have actually been Udaleku students in the past. So this is generational at this point. We've got parents who have participated in Udaleku, who have seen the benefit, made friends, and then continued by sending their kids so that they can continue the traditions. And it really is touching, and we hope that it continues.
Thank you, Valerie.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils font? Ah, voilà la musique qui commence.